A few people have asked me if I could do a display of all the radioactive stuff I have, so here goes. This is uranium as uranium ore or uraninite, UO2. It consists of 88.15% uranium and the rest is oxygen. This is the primary uranium ore. See, all the black stuff here is the uranium ore and the rest is granite, some kind of rock stuff. And it is processed and purified, and then it is either used for nuclear bombs or in nuclear power plants, nuclear reactors. You can use either the pure, the non-enriched form of this uranium ore in breeder reactors, or you can enrich it. That means that you increase the uranium-235 content from about the natural 0.7% to about 2 or 3%. So you can use it in a conventional reactor, such as those that power your computer as well. But there are also other kinds of uranium ores, such as this. The yellow stuff is called zibite, and uranophane, the yellow stuff on here, and the really dark green one here is torbanite. But those are not really often used for processing and making uranium fuel out of them, because the uranium content is just not high enough. It depends, it varies between like 40 and 60% maybe, so it's really rather low uranium content compared to this UO2, which is 88.15% uranium content. So those are not really worth it. But they sure look pretty, I think. Some of the uranium ores, such as this uranocertite, also have quite interesting properties. I'm talking about fluorescence here. And if I use my UV torch on it, you can see it's really nice luminescence. Will all glow green. And as proof that this is all actually uranium ore, I'm using my dosimeter on it. You can see I'm still quite far away, but the dosimeter is already going off because we reach over 12 microsieverts here. And the pure ore, so it's in this closed case, but that doesn't matter so much, as you can see. It's still an insane lot of radiation coming from there. If I take off any shielding, it will be like about 800 microsieverts at the best spot, so yep, so much for that. And this is my full collection, by the way. On the top shelf in yellow is the rather pure ore, or well, the non-luminescent ore, and on the bottom is uranocertite and autunite, the luminescent ones that I illuminate with UV light. By the way, you can also manufacture nice things such as those uranium marbles with it, or uranium plates they use to create quite a lot of dishes out of uranium, because it will produce a nice color. Yeah, they created a lot of nice colors made out of uranium. Kind of crazy, as I noticed later, but yeah, people just didn't know that stuff was so radioactive, or radioactive at all before. So they just used it, put their food on it, and ate from those radioactive plates. Isn't that great? And maybe you want to buy some of these marbles for your children, I don't know.